Hey there, Dr. Von Duke here. Welcome to my channel and helping you pass the Special Education Ed TPA. What you'll find linked in the description below is a free template to help you organize your lesson plan. And it's a little bit different than the normal lesson plans that you would create for your class or for your graduate program or undergraduate program in teacher education, in that I've added several areas where the EdTPA asks for evidence, and you might not have thought to plan your lesson in such a way that that evidence will be available when you need it. So a very typical thing that they'll ask for in task one is, how are you connecting the lesson objectives, each of your objectives, to your students' interests or their cultural background or their experiences in the school neighborhood or prior lessons? How does that connect to the academics? And then how does that connect? So your lesson objective, but then in what way do you support that? How do you support the student through their interest to get to that lesson objective? Another thing I've added is table one in task one looks something like this, but they don't ask for the measurable outcomes in there. And so you want to make sure that all these pieces of information are added to that. And I have a bigger video in the task one pre-rubrics to explain how to use this. And just one other thing I'd like to point out is you might not realize that when you're preparing for the EdTPA, the more teacher-centered you are is less favorable to the reviewers than the more student action and activity and centrality to the lesson. So the more the student initiates and responds, the higher score you're going to get. I hope that helps. Look through my stuff. If you need additional supports, you'll see on the template where I have a course and other services available should you need them. Hopefully not. And good luck, and may you pass the EdTPA.